is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I'm back today with another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my charm bracelets. So it's very easy, guys. So I already have the wire bangle already open, but I'm going to show you guys or demonstrate how to open that really quickly if you guys do not know how to open it. So first we want to start off with our charms, our split rings, and you're going to need this tool right here. You can find everything on Amazon in our Amazon store, and the link in the description box. So let's get started. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to put the split rings on the charms, or the charms on the split rings, however you want to say it. It is very easy, guys. It's very self-explanatory. I feel like this is the easiest method for anybody starting off. So first you use your tool to open the split ring and then put it on the charm, and then you use the other tool to roll it around. Some people use their fingers. I can't use my fingers because it's very uncomfortable for me, but y'all could do it how y'all want to do it, whatever. So that is basically it. I'm going to show you guys a couple of times how to do it. So basically you just open it up like that, and then you just slide the charm on like that right there. It doesn't matter which way you actually put it on there, because it really doesn't matter. It just only matters how you put it on the wire bangle. Okay. So yeah, so all you gotta do is twist it around and keep doing that same thing. That is it. So I'm going to repeat it a couple more times so you guys can get it in depth for the people that don't see exactly how I'm doing it. But this is how you do it right here. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how to put the charms on the wire bangle. So this is how I do it, okay? So, but first, let me show you guys how, or demonstrate how I open the wire bangle. That is how I open it. I basically bend it back a little bit with my tool and basically open it on up so I can slide the charm on there. Some people, they actually they don't open it at all. They put the charm and split ring on there. That's too much. So basically, I just put the charm on there like that right there. As you guys can see, the front of the charm is not facing me. It's facing the other way. If you do it this way, I'm going to demonstrate how it's going to look. If you do it facing you, it's going to look like that. It's going to be backwards. So basically, you got to do it facing the opposite way, and just slide it on there. So to close it up, all you have to do is just slip it back in and use this tool to just basically tighten it closed. You don't want to do it too tight, just in case you have to open it back up, but you do not want your charms to be falling off either. So yeah, this is basically how I make my bracelets. It's so simple, guys. Like, I'm going to start doing these 5-minute tutorials all the time, because like it's really self-explanatory. I just see how some people do it and I just feel like, y'all are doing the most. You do not have to do all of that. But yes, y'all, so I'm going to do it a couple more times, and that is it. That is it for today's mini tutorial. If you like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys also subscribe as well. What tutorial you guys think I should do next? Drop a comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.